Hey, what's up, everybody? How you all doing? Welcome to Big Style TV. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. How you all doing? You don't know if you're not yet subscribe to the channel now. This morning we're gonna talk about the amount of missing girl in Jamaica. Trust me, I really don't know what's going on. Why so much of our young girl has been missing? It's just heartbreaking, you know. Over the years, there are so much girls has been missing that is on record. You know, here, no one a get caught. You know, here, police them not have no lead, the government don't have any lead about it. From the 1st of January to about the 30th of April, 517 girls has been missing. Trust me. Over 100 and had still not has been found. Many of these girls has been dead, get killed. Trust, I don't know what's going on. This is just really, and me not talk about nowhere else. I'm talking about Jamaica. Jamaica is too small for all of this to happen. We need to have some more camera on the street. I think the government need to set up a system where not just the highway them or the business. They need to put camera on every street, every lane, every corner should be camera. It's time. I don't know what's going on. The police them maybe need to work more harder. The government them need to put in some more things in place. The parents them need to stop allow their kids to walk the street alone by themselves. When them come from school, don't allow them to go nowhere at all. Because many of these many of these culprits are people who drive bus. These people are driving taxi. There are some really crazy people out there who driving public transportation. Trust me, people, me no know. And the next thing again, people, these nowadays generation, them don't pray no more. It come like say they are drifting so far, them caught up in this vanity so much. Young girls, be careful of the friends you keep. Be careful of who you par with, where you don't know. You have a friend who have a friend who invite you out. Remember, say you and your friend is not your friend. Be careful of your friends' friends. Be careful of going out with people who you don't know. Be careful of be careful of the people you meet online. Don't just because you meet them online and you talk to them for 1 month, you believe you know them. You don't know them. Enough of these young girls, they are meeting people who they met online. They are going so far go meet them and them don't know them. There are some really crazy people out there. Trust me. It is just heartbreaking. Too much of our kids are missing, are getting killed, are raped, and then kill them. Because the heart of man is so wicked and cruel. My Jamaican brothers and sisters, let us pray for each other. Let us be our brothers' keepers. Not just watch your kids, but look out for other someone, your neighbor's kids also. And not afraid to call the police. Don't afraid to call the police and report something you've seen. Report something you see. People are going to say you are informer business that you are saving someone's life. What? Life don't matter anymore? You know how precious it is to have life? Life is one of the most precious gifts God could ever give to mankind. Trust me. Don't afraid to call the police 119 and report what you're seeing, because too much, me tired of it, too much of our kids are getting missing. Anyway, big up on yourself, big up to all viewers and subscribers. I hope you like this video. Like and share now. Tell your friends about Big Style TV. We are a new channel on the market and we love to live for a channel So if any video you have, you can send it to us. I will put a links in the description. So big up on yourself, big up all the viewers and subscribers. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel now. And make sure you hit that notification bell to get the latest video that we put out. One love, one link.